Hello students. Today we are going to learn about a program 5 of web technologies and its applications. Here the problem statement goes like this. We have to create a XML document. That XML document should contain a engineering college students details like USN, name, name of the college, which department and year of joining and email ID. Okay, for all this informations we have to store it in an XML document. For this XML document we have to apply a cascading style sheet. In the sense we have to apply some colors to that particular tags. Now we will see how to create an XML document. What do you mean by an XML? In the sense extended markup language. For this XML documents, we are not going to have any predefined tags. Whatever the tag we are going to create, the same tag should be an opening tag and closing tag. Okay, like suppose example for H3 tag, if you have an H3, must and should opening and closing should be your H3 tag. Or if you want to create any paragraph tag, we have already P tag. So like this, we have some predefined tags in your HTML. Whereas coming for your XML, we don't have any predefined tags here. Whatever the tag you're going to create, the same tag should be your opening tag and closing tag. Now we will see how to create that. Now I'll close this here. So now we will create an XML document. How to create your XML document? In the sense opening tag and closing, where I'll write it XML hyphen style sheet, where type is equal to text bar CSS, closing of this, and where href is equal to, I'll write here program 6.css. Now this is your XML declaration. Here you can check it out. This is a declaration of your XML style sheet. And here I am representing type is equal to text bar CSS and href is equal to program CSS. So here I am going to make use of external style sheet, where all the CSS I am going to write in one sheet, and that sheet will be linking to your XML document. Now here we are going to create a details of the student. Okay, so first I'll be writing a parent tag here. So I'll write it VTU underscore college. VTU underscore college, where this will be an opening tag and the same thing will be your closing tag. VTU underscore college. Under this VTU college, now we have to create a tag called details. See, as I've said that in a XML document, we don't have any predefined tags. We have to make use of whatever the tags we know, that we can make use of it. Here opening and closing tag will be. So here I'll make it use of details. Okay, under this details, as I've said, we have to create a tag for USN, name, college name, branch, and year and mail ID. So now here I'll write it a tag called USN. Have written. So 1VA 18 CS 001 or 009. So slash USN. That's it. Opening and closing tag. It's yours, but you need to have your own tag. Opening and closing should be the same. So now again you have a tag called name. Name, here I'll write it ABC and I'll close my name tag. Now after the name tag we need to create a college. So I'll write it college. So here I'll write it XYZ slash college and I'll close this college tag. Next, a branch we have to enter. So here I'll write it a branch tag, opening of your branch tag. Here I'll write it some CSC and I'll close my branch tag. Now under this branch, after that branch, we have to create a tag enter the data for year. So here I'll write it 2019. So here I'll close my year tag. The same way here you need to create your email ID. So here I'll write it an email. I'll write it abc@gmail.com. So here I'll write it closing of my email tag. This is how it's a simple for your storing of your data in an XML format. Here I have written only for one student storing of detail. If I want to create another one student detail, under the parent tag you can create another one child tag. So VTube college will be your one parent. Under this one parent we have only one details tag. So this will be a child, one child. Whole this contains your one child. If I want to create another child, same copy paste this to your downside and change your contents. Whatever the content we have in between of the tags, you can change it. That's it. Okay, now I have shown for only one details. Now I'll save this as an XML document in an HT docs only. So here I'll write it program pgm6.xml. pgm6.xml you have to say. So here I have to change all files and save the code. Here I have taken prgm.css. Now see. Now I'm going to write now CSS part. So Control N. Now here I'm going to write for CSS code. So now first I have to create for details. I have created a tag called details. Under the details, what I'm going to write, I'll be writing some specific or some generic presentation. It will be applied for complete data. So display will be in the form of block. After that, font size will be some 15 points. Font size colon, it will be of 15 points. And next I'll be writing where color colon will be your red, semicolon, and font family will be Arial. Font underscore family colon, it will be your Arial. Give semicolon. This will be a generic presentation that will be applied for all the tags which are present in the details tag. Now I'll be applying some specific presentation only for USN tag. USN, under this USN I'm going to apply where USN, where display, obviously it is in the block already I have written. Now I'll change it. Font hyphen style colon, italic I'll change it. Now font size it is done, where color I'll change it, color colon blue I'll write it. Only this thing I have changed it for USN. The same thing I'll change it for college. I'll change it to college. Now for the college, where I'll write it, font style I'll make it as in bold. Font style colon bold I'll write it. Now I'll change it. Font underscore font size font size also I'll change it. Font size colon I'll write it here 18 points. And now here I'll change it. Color colon I'll write it green. That's it. Now it is changed for only college tag. Now we have another 3 tags. One is a branch tag, branch, comma, name, comma, year, comma, email. Now I have to apply some of the colors or some attributes to this all the tags. So what I'll do here, I'll change it the color, just only color I'll change it. So color colon orange I'll write it. That's it. Now save this code to program6.css. In the same folder you need to be. Where you have saved the XML file, in the same file you have to store your program CSS file also. Now you save this code. Now it's done. Now go for your browser and you execute and see. Localhost pgm6.xml. See, here you can check it out where you have one, it is in a color, red color. Here you have a red color. You have a green color and CSC 2019 ABC at the rate of gmail.com. Column 15, opening and closing tag mismatch at the line 0 at VTU college. Okay, there is an error. I have to check with that. Exam htdocs have stored here program 6 dot, where is that, xml document. Okay, I'll change it to open with notepad. Okay, somewhere here we need to be changed something in the line number 12. Okay, here we have changed it. Now save the code, go back to here and refresh it. Now you can change it. It is in ABC XYZ CSC 2019 Arial. Everything we got it in the Arial format. So what is done here? XML reach USN should be in a italic format. It is changed. Okay, I haven't given any semicolon here, so it is coming this. Now I have saved here and I'll go back here and I'll refresh. Now you can check it out. Your USN will be in your board. Sorry, italic, ABC, XYZ all are in your this. Okay, it's done. This is like your how to store your data in your XML format. Thank you.